What's up guys, kembali lagi bersama gue di channel Tampan Estate. Oke, di video kali ini gue akan membuat video reaction lagi ya, tentang pengakuan dari mantan tentara Israel ya, atau tentang pertobatan mantan tentara Israel yang menyesal telah menjadi tentara Israel bangsat. Oke, langsung aja kita ke videonya, kita tonton reactionnya. Cikidot. Oke. Iya, oke guys ya, kita play videonya. Pengakuan terjujur dari para veteran AS yang mengakui kalau negaranya itu penjajah dan sangat brutal atau kriminal, penjahat dunia lah, yang telah membantu Israel anjing satu itu. Kita play videonya ya. Oke.
In my most frank assessment, I would say that they're criminal. In my entire career, have I never witnessed the level of brutality and use of indiscriminate and unnecessary force against a civilian population, an unarmed, starving population. I've never witnessed that in all of the places I've been deployed to war until I was in Gaza at the hands of the IDF and U.S. contractors.
The gentleman you just heard from is not only an American, he's actually Lieutenant Colonel Anthony Aguilar, who's a retired U.S. Green Beret, who actually decided to volunteer and sign up for the humanitarian aid distribution in Gaza. Now, as you can tell, he quit after experiencing what he referred to as the deliberate slaughter of desperate and hungry Palestinian civilians. In fact, here's more.
This is not a battlefield, though it might look like one. It's a food distribution point in Gaza. Bullets are kicking up the sand as men wait to get food. It's one of 4 sites run by the so-called Gaza Humanitarian Foundation, a joint Israeli-US scheme they say replaces the UN and keeps food away from Hamas. This video is of the foundation's armed American security guards opening fire. It was filmed by a U.S. soldier who signed up for the operation in Gaza after he retired and left, he says, when he saw American colleagues and the IDF killing civilians. The soldier is Lieutenant Colonel Anthony Aguilar, a Special Forces veteran of the U.S. Army's Green Berets. I witnessed the Israeli Defense Forces shooting at the crowds of Palestinians. I witnessed the Israeli Defense Forces firing a main gun tank round from the Merkava tank into a crowd of people, destroying a car of civilians that were simply driving away from the site.
Now, that was a retired member of the United States military, a former Green Beret, an individual who isn't shielding the public from his identity. He is speaking openly, candidly, while revealing his identity in regard to what he saw firsthand in Gaza. So for anyone coming at people like me who go on Piers Morgan's show and essentially share the same information, who accuse people like me of being some sort of anti-Semite for doing so, you're going to call him an anti-Semite? Or is it just considered unacceptable to ever call out the war crimes that are being committed by the IDF and the Israeli government? Now, the United States says that they're going to do something about this, that they're going to do something about the fact that Palestinians are literally starving to death as we speak.
For 1 year, I have watched Israel burn children alive. You don't care about veterans. You don't care about American values. You are destroying this country. Shame on all of you. May God give you the moral courage. May God give you the moral courage to do the right thing. May God give you your heart. Please. Shame on you. We need veterans from California all the way to New York to stand against what we are witnessing right now. Your voice is so...
Gila cuy, men, mantep men. Sumpah ini para veteran AS yang udah sadar kalau dia itu mengikuti perintah yang salah karena menjadi tentara Amerika Serikat yang jelas-jelas teroris sesungguhnya yang ngebantu Israel anjing satu itu. Dan dua orang ini salah satu ya, dua orang ini udah tobat karena mereka ini masih mempunyai hati kemanusiaan cuy, humanity, kepedulian terhadap manusia. Dan mereka sendiri telah melihat kekejaman Israel anjing dan juga Amerika anjing yang ngebantai warga Gaza atau genosida. Mantep cuy. Dan gue denger mantan tentara AS dua orang ini itu menjadi aktivis atau relawan Palestina sekarang. Masya Allah. Semoga dua orang ini dapat hidayah dan masuk Islam. Oke? Mantap saudara. Mantap saudari. Ya, oke. Jadi lo semua yang ada di Konoha, terutama Oten-Oten, lu sadar, lu tobat, lu ikutin Oten-Oten Eropa yang ngebela Palestina. Contohnya dua orang ini, mantan tentara Amerika. Lu ikutin, karena dua orang ini termasuk Kristen juga, sama kayak lu juga. Jadi untuk Oten-Oten, lu sadar, jangan terus goblok, oke? Ya oke guys ya, untuk kalian umat Islam jangan pernah mundur, jangan pernah gentar untuk bersuara free Palestina, tetap dukung Palestina terus, oke? Wassalam, peace.